when I finished then I just... Hello guys, hello my beautiful people, you're highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today is your first time of seeing my video, hello, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. In today's video I have a beautiful remedy. This remedy works so well, it's good for our skin. This remedy is actually for internal and external. I usually use this remedy during my pregnancy. You know, during pregnancy you have, you know, tiredness, and it's actually is a beautiful remedy. This remedy I'm going to be sharing with you now is good for your skin and it's good for your face mask. Go straight to the point, and where I'm going to be showing you how we're going to be mixing it step by step.
Disclaimer: if you were under the age of 17, do not click on this video, because this is for adults only. Don't forget to subscribe, and click that bell. Let's get started.
I'm going to be doing one remedy tonight. I'm going to be showing you, I'm going to make the beetroot juice, and how I'm going to be using the stuff for my face mask. Before any things, we need to peel. We want to get rid of the skin. You can see the inside. Okay, we only need the inside, and I actually need the juice for my diet, because at the minute I'm not eating any beef at the minute. So but I eat a lot of nutrient, like I said the other time. So beetroot nutritional information: improve blood flow. For you that you're on diet, you want to make your skin radiant and lovely, and it lowers blood pressure, boosts stamina, it detoxifies the liver, it helps reduce the risk of cancer, help prevent against anemia and iron deficiency, help in building stamina. Okay, as I'm on diet now, I need a lot of stamina, and I'm on night duty, so I need a lot of stamina, I need strength. And then whenever I'm doing night duty, I used to have all this pigmentation cut off my... I'm trying to reduce my weight at the minute, and I love to bring you guys along with me. Drink, I cut all the dairy, so I just say let me share what I'm going to be drinking, and I'll actually the video tonight is how you can use beetroot juice to get rid of acne, fine line, and your open pores, and to make your skin, your face look smoothly and healthy. So we're gonna want to get rid of the skin, so we're not going to be using this. We need this stuff. So for tonight now, I'm going to be doing with this my beetroot. It's going to be 2-in-1 juice for my body nutrition, for what my body needs. First we need to blend this, and you want to cut it very well, and I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be transferred to this. So guys, I usually keep this up to 3 days in the fridge. You can include carrot with it. Carrot with beetroot stuffing is very good for your skin. We're using here, you can use your beetroot liquid juice, which I'm going to be using as well, and we are going to be using 1 tablespoon of beetroot. Okay, and we need 1 teaspoon of the beetroot liquid. I'll put more. You will know what you actually need, okay? So because I'm used to this, I know what's the amount. So let's put 2 spoons. So this one is for the oily skin like me, for oily skin person, okay? So guys, we need the second ingredient or third ingredient is going to be kogi acid. I got my kogi acid. It normally come like 20, I ordered 25 gram, okay? So I chose to get the powder. You can swear get the soap, but I bought this since last year and I still have a load of it. So I just prefer to have my own kogi acid powder, so I can use whatever I want, and it lasts since last year. I've been using it and it's still a lot. So this is how it looks. So it came in a container, like a plastic bag, so you can share it. You can get a container like me and you can start distribute it. I still have a loads, so I prefer my own powder. So lightening visible sun damage, age spot or scar. This can result in an anti-aging effect on the skin. Okay, in addition to skin lightening effect, kojic acid also contains some antimicrobial property. So that is why I'm going to be using kojic acid. I only need 1 teaspoon of kojic acid. Oh, sorry guys. So you mix them together. This is for dry skin. This is for oily skin person. Guys, you are welcome. As you can see, this is the juice. So follow the instructions step by step how I. If you do not have a smooth blender, you can if you don't have that type of my blender, you can actually use the one that you are using for your pepper. If you want to, if you know what I mean, you can use the one you are using for your pepper, okay? You don't have to get that brand, okay? So this is how it looks. I will drink it first before I apply the stuff I make out of it. It's too sweet. So if you are the type of person that you're always dizzy during fasting or during diet or during exercise, if you walk so well, you feel dizzy or tiring, it's full of sugar, it's contain a lot of nutrition, so you need a lot of sugar in your system, then you can get the habit of beetroot. So this is for the dry oily skin people. It smells nice. I'm used to it anyway. So you apply all over your face, and kojic acid is for age spot and pigmentation. That is what the kojic acid does there, and you will get that pinking look. So I normally do this face mask 3 times in a week, especially when you're night duty. You don't want to really look at guys, so I take care of my inner. I drink it as well and I apply it to myself, to my face. And when you apply it, guys, you leave it, you see, such a mess. You leave it up to 1 hour or 40 minutes. If I'm not going anywhere tonight, I normally leave it on my face 1-3 hours. Use it as well to spray your skin, guys. This is it. Here's my skin. So don't worry guys, because of the beetroot, you can see the way I'm using it to exfoliate the skin is the circulation, okay? And you go to the bathroom, then you rinse it, you understand? So that is the reason why it looks as if the beetroot reacts to my skin. No, so I use cold water, okay? I didn't use you can use lukewarm water or you can use cold water, either of the two. So I chose to use cold water. Okay guys, so you can see all the pinky, and at times going on within 2-3 hours it's going to disappear when the blood of my face, my skin settle. So guys, it's a good result. You will feel instantly, you will feel your skin, you feel the flawless, and you feel it will help you to get rid of the dead cells. It will exfoliate you, it will remove all the oil, all the dead cell, all the oil from the roots. It will open all the pores, and when it dry, when you rinse your face, it will help you to tie up the pores. So that is what you need, and it will maybe to get rid of all the dead cell as well. Please guys, let me know what you think guys, and continue guys to subscribe to my channel, share my video guys. I need a good comment guys. You can see the edge of my hair, all the oil, the magic oil I've been using. You can see guys, even though I dye my hair. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my videos to your friends, to neighbors, good comments. Let me know what you think guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.